Hey, thanks for tuning in to yet another video. Infamous here. Just wanted to tell you guys thanks for subscribing, and I wanted to upload a 500 subscriber kind of goal reach, some kind of a video, but I was dealing with some back issues. I had some severe acute pain. I was having some back spasms really bad, so that's why I delayed this video for so long. And I was also dealing with some knee stuff. Don't know what's going on. I guess it's just wear and tear on the body. I don't know, but thanks for tuning in, and thanks for hitting the subscribe button, and thank you for your support on the channel. So just wanted to say thank you guys. Like I said, I wanted to upload a 500 kind of celebration, stuff like that, but now we're sitting a little bit over, I believe, 700. So yeah! Let's look at the bike. As you can see, a lot of customization, a lot of modifications done already to the bike, and it's pretty much finished. That's pretty much the way it's gonna sit. This is the way I wanted it. This is what I had pictured in my head when I was, planning on buying the bike. This is the way I wanted it to kind of look and sound and have everything completed. So just what's next for the bike? Probably suspension, but that's gonna probably wait until for a good discount. Just waiting on a discount. Probably 10 to 20% would be nice, because the parts themselves, they're over $1,500 for the suspension. So I'm gonna wait on it. As I know, this is something that always gets recommended to me on the comments, the suspension. But I'm only 180, maybe 170 on a good day, high 170. So I don't bottom this thing out, and as I mentioned in the other videos, I'm not an aggressive rider. I don't push it to its limits. And the suspension, I believe it's mainly just, for someone that does a lot of twisties, or, really, hitting it and really hitting it hard on the road. So I don't see a need for it, but I also want to just upgrade the suspension. So that's going to have to wait until probably the end of the year, maybe for a Black Friday sale or some kind of a discount. But other than that, this is the way the bike's going to sit now. Future content for the channel, I'm just waiting for a good sale or a good deal on a bike. I've been looking at bikes online. I've been looking at them on eBay. I've been looking at them at Craigslist, Facebook Market, all these other places. I'm just looking for a really good deal out there, and that's pretty much it. So I like reading the comments, so I do appreciate you guys leaving comments in the videos. I like seeing the comments and stuff like that. So and I do read a lot of your guys' comments. A lot of the stuff I do read it. So I'm just I guess I'm just overwhelmed and happy with everything. So it's hard for me to kind of put it in words, but thank you guys, and stay tuned. Like I said, this bike's finished. We're going to see if we could get a good deal on another bike. Probably build out a FXR style Softail, and that's what I want to do. So, and as I mentioned in the other video, I don't want to kind of overhaul the front end on this bike, but if I can't get a good deal on another bike, then maybe that's what's probably gonna have to happen. So I don't know, still a lot of stuff to do. So just thank you guys. Stay safe, ride safe with everything that's going on. As you can see, a lot of smoke out here. California, pretty bad shape. So just wanted to say, thank you, fire department. Thank you, volunteers, everybody that's making a difference and trying to, contain these fires. So, and I just want to say thank to you guys for staying tuned in and keep on watching my content. So yeah, thanks guys. Ride safe, stay safe. Later.